To be like Jesus. Daily Devotional by Ellen G. White. Small talents have value and can increase. March 19th. The word of the wise are as goads and as nails fastened by the masters of assembly, which are given from one shepherd. Ecclesiastes chapter 12, verse 11. Let businessmen or women do business in a way that will glorify their Maker because of their fidelity. Let them carry their religion into everything that is done and reveal to others the Spirit of Christ. Let the mechanic be a diligent and faithful representative of him who toiled in the lowly walks of life in the cities of Judea. Let everyone who names the name of Christ so walk that others, by seeing their good works, may be led to glorify their Creator and Redeemer. Whatsoever ye do, do it heartily as to the Lord. Let the upbuilding of the kingdom of Christ be with constant thought, and let every effort be directed toward this one end. Those who have been blessed with superior talents should not depreciate the value of the service of those who are less gifted than themselves. The smallest trust is a trust from God. The one talent, through diligent use with the blessing of God, will be doubled, and the two used in the service of Christ will increase to full, and thus the humblest instrument may grow in power and usefulness. The earnest purpose, the self-denying effort are all seen, appreciated, and accepted by the God of heaven. Take heed that ye despise not one of these little ones. God alone can estimate the worth of their service and see the far-reaching influence of those who work for the glory of their Maker. We are to make the very best use of our opportunities and to study to show ourselves approved unto God. God will accept our best efforts, but let no one imagine he will be pleased with ignorance and inability when proper improvement of privileges bestowed, a better service might be supplied. We are not to despise the days of small things, but by diligent care and perseverance we are to make the small opportunities and talents minister to our advancement in divine life and hasten on to a more intelligent and better service. This is your daily devotion. We thank you for listening. We hope you can join us again tomorrow. Please also check the YouTube comments for any further study notes.